Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, then you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 25th video, 86th video, there is quite possibility that you may get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, or you can do one thing, you can directly follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906, friends. Okay. So I will start today's video, and before starting today's video I would like to tell you, in our last video I have covered the topic called if the physical mind works against the subconscious mind, why do we have it? So this was a topic which I covered in my last video, and in my today's video I'm going to cover the topic called, does the subconscious mind develop as the human being grow older? So this topic I'm going to cover. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you this is a 120 number video. The video number is 120 and the topic is, does the subconscious mind develop as human being grows older? So I will start, friends. Okay. Not necessary. It all depends on how much you follow its guidance. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that it is not important as the human being grows older, your subconscious mind also grows. Your subconscious mind only can grow in one condition only, that how much you follow its instruction. As much you respect your subconscious mind, as much you will follow the instruction of the subconscious mind, that much your subconscious mind will grow, and that much your subconscious mind will respond in regards to your question, friends. Okay. It is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the healthier and stronger it becomes. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling us via Koshal Bhavnagri that beautiful statement. Our subconscious mind is completely like a muscle. Because what happens when we go in gym or when we do exercise, when we work on a particular muscle, when we do workout, that muscle develops that much. In the same way, as much as we do workout with our subconscious mind, we follow the guidance of the subconscious mind, that much only our subconscious mind develop, not more than that or not less than that, friends. Okay. In fact, a child's subconscious mind is powerful provided the child is on a good spiritual level. So there is quite possibility that a child subconscious mind is more powerful if the child is on a good spiritual level. Then it is quite possibility that a child has a more powerful subconscious mind than us. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. Because the child has just come from the spirit world to earth. Yeah, this is interesting point. A child has a open subconscious mind because the child have just arrived from the spirit world to this world. So child have a very open subconscious mind because he have just came right from the home, is from his real home. So he's clean, right? He's clean, he's very neat, tidy. But as we keep on growing here, different karmas keeps on recording in our subconscious mind, so we become little bit dirty, right? So a child is more cleaner because it has just arrived from the spirit world. But if the child receives improper training and is allowed to go wrong, the subconscious mind quieten down and become weaker and weaker. So in the same way, if a child receives a wrong guidance from his parents, family or environment, and a child starts doing wrong negative thing, even the subconscious mind of child also becomes weaker, and a particular point it will shrink and the subconscious mind will completely become dormant, which is very dangerous, friends. Okay. So friends, this brings to ends of today's video. In our today's video, I have covered the topic called, does the subconscious mind develop as a human being grows older? Okay. So in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called, you have said that all earth soul meet their loved one from the spirit world when they are asleep. How exactly does this happen? So this is going to be the next topic which I'm going to cover in the next video. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section. You can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee1906. Okay. So friends, this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Stay happy and stay blessed, friends. Okay. Goodbye.